Alright guys, in this video what I'm going to try to do is attach a magnet here, but we have to make sure we remove this part here so that it will fit in place, but we also need to make sure that we don't cut off too much of this, because then we will weaken the part too much, and we don't want to weaken it too much. So I'm going to try to just saw off this bit just carefully and gently, and then even it out. If there are bits like this that are still poking off, then we'll have to see if it matches okay, or if we need to dig out a little bit more out of this part here for the magnet to sit in place and be glued in, so that then we can attach this whenever we want it. Store the plane so that it doesn't sit on this part here, which could get damaged after a while. This is a little bit flimsy as plastic, and you don't want the whole weight of the plane on it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.